Kitanat Officer Jongka Counter Intelligent ha Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh, Kilakem Yalaingut Kisamla, Muhammad Rahmatullah Sharif, Mirza Sohil Bek, Bad Muhammad Danish. Lakano, Bakilapan Pau Yaka Jinkershan Yaka Kamleno Haka social media.
On a credible information inquiry has been made, and we have found that 3 accused, namely Rahmatullah, Muhammad Danish and Mirza Sohail, they have formed online Instagram group and they were involved in radicalization activities that is involving serious unlawful and anti-social, anti-national activities. These accused were actively sharing and circulating digital contents, including audio messages, posts and images, which promoted extremist ideology, showed disrespect to national symbols, and sought to incite division and hostility. Preliminary inquiry findings indicates that these activities were part of a structured efforts with wider linkages beyond the local level. During coordinated searches conducted at multiple locations, police seized electronic devices, including mobile phones and other incriminating materials. Detailed forensic examination of these materials is underway to establish the full extent of the network and its activities. All these 3 accused have been produced before the Honorable Court and remanded to judicial custody. Further investigation is in progress to identify additional persons involved and to uncover the broader network.